Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to change notification style on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Notifications. At the top, you'll see Display As. Here, you'll see three notification style options: Count, Stack, and List.Count shows only the number of notifications without previews. This is the most minimal style. Stack groups. Notifications from the same app together in a compact view. You can tap to expand and see all notifications. List shows each notification separately in a vertical list. This gives you the most detailed view. Select the style that works best for you. I'll choose Stack for this example. Once selected, your notification style will be changed immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your notification style on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.